Today we are looking at the XYZ RMX 4000 bed mill. There are 4 machines in the bed mill family, so if you are looking for a different size, please check out our website. When we first introduced Prototrac into the UK in the early 1990s, it was an immediate success and revolutionised many machine shops. This manual stroke CNC control gives people the ability to make low volume and one-offs very quickly and easily. It plugged the gap between manual and CNC production machines and still today is the perfect choice for low volume production. The latest generation of Prototrac is fitted on a whole host of different machines and is still the simplest control to use on the market. The solid cast iron machine with induction hardened box waves gives the base a massively rigid construction with an impressive 1016mm by 596mm by 584mm travel in X, Y and Z. The 4000 comes with a 7.5 horsepower programmable 2-range head and 5000 RPM. All RMX bed mills have programmable spindle speed and are driven by AC motors with drive to the spindle cartridge. This is the second largest in the range. The largest is the RMX 5000 and has a travel of 1525mm in the X-axis and 600mm in the Y-axis. This can be a real game changer. How many people have a 1.5 metre X-travel machine in your locality? The latest generation of Prototrac RMX 3-axis controls provides maximum operator productivity, particularly on one-off components or small batches. Even an operator with no previous CNC experience will be producing simple or complex parts within hours or after just one day of training. In DRO mode, you can use the machine manually. In program mode, you can cut pockets, profiles, slots, pockets with islands, mirror image and even engrave cycles. The latest touchscreen control gives you easy programming and easy use of the graphics, including zoom in to see intricate detail. A big feature of the new control is the graphics screen is always on during programming, benefiting the operator with ultimate confidence. EPA or Advanced Prototrac Assistance is an onboard reference guide built into every touchscreen control. It's filled with instructions, diagrams and videos that help the user get the answers they need when they need them. It can also be linked to a CAD/CAM system or you can use the optional DXF file converter. RMX bed mills have a tracking facility as an option that is ideal for the CNC novice, allowing the operator to wind the hand wheels and the machine moves through the program. The faster you wind the handles, the faster the machine moves. If you stop or reverse the hand wheel, the machine does the same. The machine is fitted with an air drawbar for quick and easy tool change. If you would like to see how this machine will benefit your business, give XYZ a call or use one of the numbers on screen and we can arrange a desktop demonstration. And best of all, if you need a machine quickly, we have them all in stock.